Condition number 2 true is that
Right away, you can feel the seriousness in this courtroom. William Harper isn't here for a new trial. He's here because he violated probation, and that changes everything. When someone is given deferred adjudication, it's basically the court saying, "We'll give you a chance. Don't waste it." But the moment Harper admits he failed to submit to drug testing, the entire situation becomes dangerous for him legally. Because once probation is violated, the judge suddenly has the power to send someone straight to jail.
Terminate him on set.
At this point, Harper is trying to show the court that he's changed. He talks about school, a high GPA, becoming a software developer, even mentions statistics about engineers becoming billionaires. But here's the problem in courtrooms like this. Judges don't just listen to who you say you are today. They look at what you actually did while under their orders. And that's exactly where this case starts to turn.
I never would have.
you continue with your testimony. I tell everybody who comes through here, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? I tell everybody that comes through here, if there's an issue with probation and you feel like probation isn't addressing it, let the court know and we'll address it. So do not start with, I didn't know about this, because I know you know, because I told you. All right?
Judge Boyd doesn't let that argument slide for even a second. When she says, "You're not making mistakes, you're making choices," she's drawing a very clear line. Mistakes are accidents. Probation violations are decisions. And when someone has already been warned once before, the judge expects absolute compliance. That's why you can feel the tone of the courtroom change right here. The judge isn't convinced yet.
And since we're just now doing this motion to revoke, that tells me nobody knew where you were.
And Your Honor, as far as that's concerned, I do have Mr. Harper's mother who would like to testify on his behalf as well.
Okay. Just 1 second before she calls up. Do you have any questions?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I just have one, because the big thing here is you stopped reporting, you stopped coming for your UAs. If you were tested today, would you be positive for anything?
No, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, Ms. Ebony, you're going to speak loud into the microphone. So,
All right. Can you raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give? Raise your right hand.
Oh, sorry.
All right. That's okay. Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth? So help you God?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Any more questions? Defense?
no, Your Honor.
State?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right. It's a shame you brought your mom down for here because of your actions. Probation, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, due to the case being further extended, expired, revocation, or term on SAP.
Well, I can tell you all, I'm not going to terminate on SEP because he hasn't done anything. So there are two choices. And this is the court will do. Well, before I say that, has he done anything on probation?
He completed the IOP, the Intensive Outpatient Program. He did the community service hours. And he's paid 500 and something.
Your Honor, Mr. Harper did complete intensive outpatient treatment. He completed 41 hours of his community service hours. The court waived 40 hours due to his COVID vaccine.
Mhm.
He paid $563 toward his assessed fees of $2,841. He was on the drug patch for the beginning of his probation, and They were coming out negative at first, and then there was a lapse there.
All right. Any final argument from either side?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
So,
Oh, one thing, Your Honor, he
Yes.
does have two new cases which are going to be not taken care of at this time. They're still pending indictment.
what are the two new cases?
There's a misdemeanor interference with an emergency telephone call and a felony assault family choking. I'm sorry. A misdemeanor interference with telephone call and an assault family choking.
All right, so what's the status as far as those? Are those good cases, not good cases?
They're only about a month old. I do know that the victim is uncooperative on them, and that's about all I know so far, Your Honor.
All right, so who's the complainant in that case?
His ex-girlfriend, I don't know her name off the top of my head.
What's her name?
Anquinettis Harvin.
I'm sorry, what?
Anquinettis Harvin.
How do you spell the first name?
That's ANQUIN
Slow it down. A-N.
QUINEETIS
And the last name?
HARVEIN.
Then the courtroom shifts completely because Harper's mother steps forward, and this is one of those moments that reminds you that criminal cases don't just affect defendants. They affect entire families. She doesn't pretend her son is innocent. She doesn't excuse his behavior. Instead, she does something far more powerful. She tells the truth. She talks about losing her brother in prison, about fear, about trying to guide her son, and about her granddaughter who still needs her father, but it's raw. It's painful, and you can see how deeply this situation has hurt her.
Probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor, and I apologize. Will you give me the term again?
2 years, suspended and probated for 5 years.
And Judge, if I may, the only issue that or concern that I have is that he's got the felony and the misdemeanor, and he hasn't made bond on those. And I'm not sure if they are able to make bond because they're family violence. He's not eligible for PR bonds, and so he may be incarcerated
All right.
for a while.
Okay. All right, you'll have to take care of that with whomever your attorney is on that. Are you the attorney on those cases as well?
I believe so, Judge.
All right, so you'll have to take care of that with your attorney. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Just the drug classes, the anger management classes.
Mhm.
Any classes I can get. I just want to be a better person, and this is a turning point in my life. I want to do better. So
Okay. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, sir.
All right, this is not a plea bargaining case. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, is there anything else from either side? We're going to go off the record.
No, Your Honor.
The tension finally breaks when Judge Boyd makes her decision. Harper is found guilty, but instead of sending him to jail, she gives him something else. One more chance, 0.5 years of probation. Hundreds of hours of community service, drug treatment, anger management, parenting classes. This isn't freedom. It's accountability.
This is for you. Also,
Alex Espinoza. Hi.
Can I have
Just 1 second. Who's on Alex Espinoza? All right, move quickly. We're recessing at 12.
And then comes the line that really sticks. Stop breaking your mom's heart. That moment says more than any legal sentence ever could. Because sometimes the hardest part of facing justice isn't the punishment, it's realizing who you've hurt along the way.